Well, we're going to drive by where they're piling up stuff. This is the old wheelhouse. They threw the locomotive wheels in there without taking them off the locomotive. They're currently demolitioning storage sheds and whatnot. This remains of a storage shed at the service track. That's the service shack, building 7. Building 6 was a performance enhancement center. There were 2 other storage shacks here that are now gone, where that track hole is. Stop here and have a look. This is the old service track area. The orange pipes standing up are water and oil. And there was an electrical and a mechanical and a pipe fitter service shack building there. There's one still there. I think that was for laborers. Tearing those out, the service track pits are full of gravel already. See the door on the wheelhouse, the Performance Enhancement Center is open. Got a feeling I'm going to spend a week doing some more videos of this stuff coming down. Interesting will be the sand tower when they pull it down. All of which is sad because it was, at one time, a very busy place.